Alright, this window here is on the side of my parents' house, and the sun drops always there. So when the sun drops, it goes in that window and it blinds my mom and dad. The TV sits right here behind the corner, so they always face this direction. So I'm gonna build them some stuff you can just buy at Home Depot, some 2x2 material. It's got spline grooves in it. I'll show you real quick. See the spline grooves? Okay, so this is some 2x2 material. All I'm gonna do is wrap around it, fasten it to the wall, and screen it in with this stuff called SunTex 90. No, that's not SunTex 90, that's my daughter. This is SunTex 90. Alright.
Here is Marshmallow.
Marshmallow's gonna watch?
Yes.
Okay. We got our drinks over there too?
Yes.
Okay.
We all the stuff we need, but
Should we get started?
we get started, but one more thing I have to tell you. No one can touch this, only grown-ups can touch this.
That's right, only grown-ups. Very good. Because you can get hurt, right?
Hurt on this.
Alright, so I was going to show you the difference of a regular screen and this stuff. SunTex 90. But if you look at the sun, my phone automatically corrects the problem. So I was going to show you how it looks through the screen, but in reality, my phone makes it look better than what the SunTex 90 can do. So I guess to show you would be to show you the shadow that it can make. This is the SunTex 90 shadow. Can y'all see it? Right? And then this is what regular screen looks like. As you can tell, it isn't even much there. And then here's the shadow for this as well. There's not even really a shadow there to show you. Necessities of Florida. Come on. Good one. Other side. Let's get started. I'm just going to fasten it to the wall with the typical pre-clip. You get 2 to the wall and 2 to the extrusion. Can you reach it?
No.
You can't reach it to help me?
I want to put it like that.
Huh?
Oh, I can't reach it.
You can't reach it? How am I supposed to do this by myself? I can't see it.
I'll help you guys.
Do I need to go get a ladder?
The ladder? The ladder?
Yeah, do I need to?
You need?
Why
You
don't
need
fix-
to? Where is it?
here, I got it.
That was a fail because I don't want to hurt myself. It looks cool, Dada.
Okay.
Dada, let you hold it and see your balance. And then you take it off and balance.
Screw bosses.
How about if build something else that will help? How about build something else with me and then help you, help me?
Help me, help you, help you, help me, help me, help you.
Yeah.
Okay, well let's screen this, okay? And then that can be that.
Okay.
Okay. You got a commercial timeout. Diet Mountain Dew. Let the old man clean the glass.
That's my grandpa.
That's your grandpa?
Hey guys!
But that's not an old man. That's just grandpa.
Dada, show the people this.
Miss Stinkbutt's potion.
Yeah.
She mixes all her juices. Good stuff.
Da 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 da.
Remember the song?
That song?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's from?
Yeah.
What?
Right now.
No, Ghostbusters.
Who's the car? Go! Busters! And I send you a picture. I sent you a picture, Grandpa.
I did. I saw the picture.